Hi, and welcome to the Rev tutorial. Rev has offered 30 days free trial of their closed captioning program offered through Zoom. The only catch is that you have to have a paid Zoom account. Let's get started. Free Zoom captions for K through 12 teachers. I'm going to go ahead and click on free for K through 12 teachers. Here you enter your name, your last name, your work email, and that you're not a robot. And you then click on K-12, get the free caption. So what will happen is that you will receive an email. Here I am in my email. I'm gonna skip, go to the support article and go straight into my Zoom marketplace. I'm brought to the app marketplace. Just make sure to pre-approve and click install. Because I've already installed it, it shows installed on my marketplace. Yours will not, it will say install. Once you click install, you can go to your Zoom settings. Here we are in Zoom settings, and you want to find the closed caption option, which is here. Make sure it's turned on. I turned it off, and here it is. I'm going to keep it on. Remember, you also need to allow live streaming meetings. Make sure you click on custom live streaming service and make sure to save. Once you've done that, you can just come up here to go ahead and host a meeting. I like to go to my app, new meeting. And here we are. It takes about 30 seconds for Rev to show up. It's preparing. There it is. Rev Live Captions. It's automatically on, and it seems like it started. You can switch it off by stopping live streaming. I'm going to let it keep going. It seems that it's doing a pretty good job. I'm going to try to see what it does if I start using vocabulary that perhaps it's not familiar with, like audiogram, frequency in hertz, decibels, and let's see. So yeah, audiogram, it said audiogram, like graham cracker. So, I mean, that's pretty typical of other live caption or closed caption programs that I've used before. So yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to sign up with Rev, I've included the link in the descriptions. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.